Welcome to your journey into artificial intelligence. Today, we invite you to explore the world of AI, a world where technology meets imagination and transforms everyday experiences. Think about this for a moment. Every time you check your favorite streaming service or ask your voice assistant a question, you are interacting with artificial intelligence. Can you think of one AI tool you use today? Take a short pause and let that thought settle as we step into this fascinating realm. At its core, artificial intelligence is a blend of learning from examples and making decisions. Picture a world where machines perform tasks that once required human intelligence. This means that the same technology that powers the recommendations on Netflix or YouTube, or even the voice of Siri and Alexa, works by understanding patterns in the data we provide. AI is all around us, quietly working to make our lives more convenient, personalized, and exciting. Imagine a scene where a human is busy typing on a computer, and simultaneously, an AI system suggests the perfect movie to watch. In this dynamic partnership between human creativity and machine efficiency, AI is learning from the examples it sees every day. The process is surprisingly intuitive. By analyzing data, from images, sounds, and text, AI can recognize patterns and make decisions that enhance our interaction with technology. Now let's dive a little deeper into what exactly AI is. Artificial intelligence is the science of imbuing machines with the capability to learn, reason, and solve problems. It means empowering computers to process vast amounts of data and extract meaningful patterns that we sometimes struggle to see on our own. To put it simply, AI mimics human decision-making by learning from experience and making informed choices based on that learning. This innovative blend of technology and intelligence is what makes AI both intriguing and indispensable in today's digital age. Before we move forward, take a moment to imagine how remarkable it is that every image you see, every word you hear, and every recommendation you receive is the result of complex algorithms working tirelessly behind the scenes. These processes work in harmony to create a seamless digital experience. They learn, adapt, and evolve, mirroring the human capability to learn from experience. The journey ahead will open your eyes to the nuances of these systems and show you just how accessible and practical this technology can be. The exploration of AI doesn't stop there. One key aspect we must understand involves the different types of artificial intelligence. Broadly speaking, there are three main categories: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Narrow AI, which is most common today, is designed to perform a specific task very well. Think of the precise, efficient performance of your phone's voice assistant or the targeted recommendations on your favorite streaming platform. In general, narrow AI works within a limited range and doesn't stray far from its specialized function. Reflect on the fact that your smartphone's assistant is an example of narrow AI. Which AI type is your phone assistant? Pause and consider the simplicity and brilliance of such technology, working tirelessly in the background to assist your daily tasks. By categorizing AI into these three distinct types, we are able to understand both its current applications and the possibilities on the horizon. This categorization also helps diminish any fears by presenting a clear picture of what AI is today versus what it might become in the future. Moving into the heart of AI's functionality, let's talk about how AI works. Imagine a child learning to differentiate between cats and dogs by being shown hundreds of examples of each. Just like a child, AI learns by identifying patterns from examples, a process known as machine learning. A computer is given a vast amount of data, much like a series of snapshots, and it uses that data to detect nuances. It maps similarities, differences, and correlations with astonishing accuracy. Imagine splitting your screen. On one side, a child gazes at various pictures of cats and dogs, while on the other side, an AI system processes a series of images. Arrows appear, symbolizing how data is fed into the system, showing the fluid journey from input to analysis. Each picture provides clues that add up to a comprehensive understanding. Over time, the AI comes to understand these patterns deeply, distinguishing between playful kittens and dignified adult dogs, and eventually, it is able to make predictions based on this learned information. Hence, if AI sees 100 pictures of both cats and dogs, it learns the defining features of each, building a robust framework that enables it to make accurate judgments in real time. Think of a short interactive moment here. If you were to take a brief quiz, you might ask, if AI sees 100 pictures of cats and dogs, what will it learn? The answer is that it will learn to identify patterns and differentiate between the two groups, building knowledge that can be used for more complex tasks as well. This simple analogy helps demystify one of the core mechanisms of AI, its ability to learn and adapt through exposure to countless examples. The process is both methodical and fascinating, showcasing a beautiful synergy of human ingenuity and technological potential. Now, let's look at some fun AI examples that many of you have experienced, perhaps without even realizing it. Artificial intelligence is not just an abstract concept. It is an integral part of your day-to-day life. Think about ChatGPT, an interactive AI that can engage in meaningful conversations, understand natural language, and provide insightful responses. Imagine typing a question and receiving an answer, as if you were speaking to a knowledgeable friend. Similarly, consider AI image generators that transform textual descriptions into vibrant, detailed illustrations, a truly creative application of modern technology. Voice assistants such as Alexa or Siri are also classic examples of AI in action. They listen attentively, interpret your requests, and deliver responses that feel both personal and intuitive. These assistants transform your smartphone into a personal aid, managing tasks, setting reminders, and sometimes even telling a joke. Each of these examples illustrates how AI is woven into the fabric of our daily lives, making what once seemed like science fiction a vibrant reality. Imagine you are now presented with a simple challenge. Try out one of these demos. Spend a minute or two chatting with ChatGPT, creating an image with an AI image generator, or asking your voice assistant a question. Experience firsthand the remarkable ease and creativity that AI can offer. Let these interactive moments serve as a reminder that technology is not something to fear, but rather a tool to be explored, understood, and enjoyed. But as we celebrate these wonderful applications, it is important to pause and address some common misconceptions about AI. One widespread myth is that AI is a form of magic with a consciousness of its own. In truth, AI is built on complex algorithms and data processing. It is smart in the way a calculator is smart, not magical but methodical, and entirely rooted in human-created logic. Picture a charming cartoon robot, cheerfully waving, while a thought bubble reminds you, "I'm smart, but not alive." This image encapsulates the reality that while AI can perform incredible feats, it does so without feelings, desires, or self-awareness. Another common misconception is the notion that AI operates on mysterious, inexplicable principles. In reality, every decision made by an AI system is the result of meticulously designed processes that rely on large amounts of data and thorough analysis. Think of it as a winding path of logic and calculation, not a leap into the unknown. By understanding the basics, learning from examples, and making informed decisions, we can see how AI fits progressively into our lives without any element of magic or mystery. As we move toward the conclusion of our journey, let's reflect on what we have learned together. We began by exploring the everyday applications of AI in the world around us, from Netflix recommendations to our trusted voice assistants. We then delved into a clear explanation of what AI truly is, a combination of learning from examples and making decisions based on data. We broke down the types of AI: narrow, general, and superintelligent, each with its own unique role and potential in shaping our future. Next, we uncovered the inner workings of AI by comparing it to the learning process of a child, exposed to numerous examples, recognizing patterns, and making predictions based on those patterns. This understanding forms the foundation of machine learning, the engine that drives many of the AI tools we rely on today. And we didn't stop there. Our journey continued by highlighting some of the most engaging and practical applications of AI, such as ChatGPT, AI image generators, and voice assistants, showing how they make our lives richer and more connected. Most importantly, we addressed and demystified common misconceptions. By pulling back the curtain on AI, we discovered that there is nothing inherently magical or conscious about these systems. They are the product of human ingenuity, designed to learn, analyze, and assist in ways that enhance our everyday experiences. Now, take a moment to reflect on the world around you. Every interaction, every recommendation, every voice command is a testament to the incredible capabilities of AI. This journey has shown you that behind every innovative gadget and intuitive application lies a simple yet profound process of learning from examples and making informed decisions. In a world where technology evolves at breakneck speed, the principles behind AI remain a beacon of clarity and inspiration. As you close this chapter of our exploration, let your curiosity flourish. The realm of artificial intelligence is vast, inviting, and filled with opportunities to learn, create, and innovate. Embrace the challenge of understanding technology, ask questions, and explore AI-powered tools that can spark your creativity and boost your productivity. Remember, the future of AI is not just something to observe from afar. It is something you can actively be a part of. Allow the insights from today's journey to empower you to seek out new knowledge, experiment with interactive demos, and see firsthand how AI can transform your ideas into reality. Explore AI-powered tools like ChatGPT or AI image generators to experience firsthand how artificial intelligence can enhance creativity and productivity.